Ankasa party name, the way we organize our elections, and also another. As a economy is a bit broad. Now we'll buy a party Munsua, the way I see elections from the polling station, your candidates and all that. I think these are things we have to have a look at. Because me dem if said the way I see internal elections, me mumu ameti idea. I have issues with it. Say. Meanwhile, say ye benya some few people, and sir enipa kakra bi no would determine who becomes your friend is saying MP, who becomes a flag bearer, who becomes constituency, who becomes region, and then national.
Okay, delegate.
I think we have to have a relook at our delegate system.
Open is saying.
Meanwhile, me mete sen campaign for betie me padia, anga we must have all members, all card-bearing members in good standing. Emphasis on good standing.
Uchiani due so ye be active
onto Aba.
And ye delegate as
Debbie. Onto Aba to determine who leads the party. Media Amankwaa. But of course, says our decision does not lie with me alone. Yes, me metre madrin. But obi so betre na dwen. But they kabi ma men kabi. Enti at the end of the day, be a majority ni bejina no. Eho ane ebeko. But media Amankwaa anka me fu say